Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of January 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Cancer, so let's look into your energy and your person energy until the end of January 2021 in your soulmate and twin flame connection. Also Cancer, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Cancer, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your lunar sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay Cancer, so let me just pick up on your person energy here. Okay, so looking into the sign that I've got for you here Cancer, I'm getting a very strong water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, as well as earth sign coming up here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now on this side here Cancer is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy, but again due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles can be interchangeable or vice versa. So now let's look into your energy coming up here Cancer. I've got the Wheel, the Three of Swords, and I've also got the Eight of Cups energy coming up here. So with this Three of Swords and Eight of Cups energy, I do feel like this separation or this breakup between both you and your person, I do feel like both of you are not together at this point of time here Cancer. So with this Three of Swords energy, I'm getting a very strong heartbreak coming up from you. So I do understand that lately you have been missing your person, especially with this new year coming in here. I do feel like some of you have been having a high hope, I would say here, that you're going to hear from your person anytime, in this month, or at least during the holiday season last year. But up until this particular point of time, especially with this reading is around the energy towards the end of the month, so it's like as we are almost closing up the month of January 2021 here, as we are coming up to the end of the month, you haven't heard anything from your person, and sometimes you've been thinking that is this connection even real, or am I just like have been wasting my time all this time here. So it's like you want to walk away, like you feel like you just want to give up, you just want to say like, okay, this is it, I'm not going to spend all my time waiting and having these high hopes, and like having this wishful thinking that my person is going to come back, like I'm just not going to sit around and wait, I'm just going to like completely walk away and just closing up the door. So those are the thoughts within your mind here Cancer, and you want to do that, but at the same time here, to close up the door and like completely walk away from this connection, from this situation here, is definitely breaking your heart. I'm getting like a very strong heartbreaking energy coming up here. So I do understand how much you have been missing your person, I do understand how much you've been thinking about them here, and this separation or this no communication period between both of you here has definitely been hurting you, has definitely been affected you very strongly, I would say here. And to which we have also got the Wheel of coming up here, the Wheel of Fortune. So deep down within yourself, I would even say like you are currently a little bit of indecisive energy coming up here Cancer. Like part of you want to walk away, part of you want to completely let go here, but deep down within yourself, within your deep soul here, like the bottom of your heart, you're definitely feeling heartbroken, you're definitely feeling the sadness. So you have this like wishful thinking, I would say here, like your deep wish within yourself is that somehow there is going to be a miracle, somehow like there is going to be a magic like out of nowhere to happen, and like to have this wheel turning, to have like this whole situation taking up into a new beginning, like taking up into a new journey here, where your person will just like try to come towards you, your person will just try to like message you out of nowhere here. So even though every night before you go to bed you always meditate, you always pray, and you always like come to this particular decision that okay, tomorrow I'm going to let go of all this energy, tomorrow I'm going to start afresh, I'm not going to be bothered about thinking about this whole connection anymore. But the next morning when you wake up, you always have that thought, and you're always checking out your phone with that hope, like, okay, maybe today is the day that they're going to message me, maybe today is the day that, like, finally we are going to communicate again here. And it's like you always keep on having that energy, and this is like kind of like making you unable to let go, as well as you can't also walk away here, so you kind of like in a very tough position, I would say here. And I've also got the Seven of Swords energy coming up. As you can see here, you are ready to leave, but you're still holding on into the past, I would say here. So one thing that I would suggest you here, Cancer, because I've also got the 8 and the 7 of Swords coming up here, I feel like you're still like too much holding on into the controlling energy, I would say here. I won't say this is like obsessiveness. There is definitely a little bit of obsessiveness coming up here, but you need to let go of, like, of control. You also need to let go of that obsessiveness energy coming out within yourself, because if you're still holding on into that, it's definitely going to make you feeling stuck, it's definitely going to make you feeling trapped here. So this is like something that you need to focus on. I've also got the moon energy coming up here, which is talking about the upcoming new moon that we are going to have. So I feel like the upcoming new moon and the full moon energy is going to be quite significant for you here, Cancer. I do feel like within these two moon phases, you might be feeling drained, you might be feeling overwhelmed. Some of you could also be feeling a lot of frustration and irritation energy during this period of time. So I would definitely suggest you to ground yourself more to release all this energy. Now looking into your person energy here, I've got the Oak King, I've got the Seven of Pentacles, and I've got the Battle Wagon or the Chariot energy, which is also your energy here, Cancer. So even though at this point of time you've been thinking that my person does not like me, they just don't they just don't, they're not thinking about me, or they just don't like remember me at all, that's not true. Because with this Chariot energy, your energy coming out very, very significant here, Cancer. So yes, they've been thinking about you, they've been wanting to come towards you here, because this Chariot, as you can see here, this person is just ready to come towards you here. But at the same time here, I've got the Seven of Pentacles energy coming up here. They're still working on themselves, they're still like fixing up all this issue within themselves, or they're just basically still fixing up all this karmic situation and karmic contract within themselves here. And it may take a little bit of time, especially with this Oak King and the Seven of Pentacles coming up here. They're trying to find a way, like they're trying to fix up all this karmic situation and all this karmic contract within themselves here. And sometimes it's just like kind of, even though you might not be able to see the progress at this point of time, but they're not stuck, and they're not forgetting about you here, Cancer. They definitely have been thinking about you, they definitely want to come back towards you here. But sometimes the moment that you just plant the seed is not the time that you eat the fruit. So as much as I do feel like I've been hearing this for a very, very long time, like try to be patient, I do feel like timing is the key here, I would say here, Cancer. Sometimes we just cannot force things, sometimes things just need to happen in that particular divine timing. And honestly, your person have been trying so hard to just let go of all this karmic situation, to basically let go of all this karmic contract here. And it's just like, even though they've been trying so hard here, the timing is not the, like, basically it's not the right time yet. But they will definitely cut through all this karmic contract. They're finally going to come clean and come back towards you here, Cancer. And I've also got the Queen of Cups energy coming up here. Like I said, they've been thinking about you. The way that they're seeing you here, Cancer, is that they definitely appreciate the way that have been emotionally mature, and the way that you've been sending them a lot of healing energy, a lot of prayers, a lot of a lot of courage. Even though they the 3D self, even though like within this reality here, they don't understand that all this prayer and all this energy and all this support have been coming up from you, but the higher self have been thanking you a lot here, Cancer. So try to hold on a little bit longer here. I do understand about your heartbreaking energy, the sadness within yourself. Yeah, I feel like this is time for you to also try to heal all those heartbreaking energy, all those painful energy within yourself here. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.